So hello friends, welcome. Today we are discussing about multivibrator. So let's see. So what is multivibrator? Multivibrator is an electronic circuit, ठीक है, which can be implemented to simple to state device. Okay, it is a circuit and क्या? It is a circuit that produce square, rectangular and pulse waveform. Okay, यहाँ क्या स्क्वायर वेव एंड रेक्टेंगुलर वेव में ये क्या वेवफॉर्म जनरेट्स करता है. ओके, एंड उसके एप्टेड क्या है? इट इज आल्सो नोन एज ए नॉन लीनियर ऑसिलेटर और फंक्शन जनरेटर. ठीक है. मल्टी वाइब्रेटर आल्सो यूज टू जनरेट क्लॉक पल्सेस. ओके, इट इज स्विचिंग सर्किट. ओके, इट इज टू स्टेज रेजिस्टेंस कपल्ड एम्पलीफायर विथ पॉजिटिव फीडबैक. ओके, इट इज टू स्टेज रेजिस्टेंस कपल्ड एम्पलीफायर with positive feedback. Okay, and now let's see types of multivibrator. So here three types of multivibrator. First is astable multivibrator, second is monostable multivibrator, third is bistable multivibrator. ठीक है. So first is astable multivibrator. So astable multivibrator has no stable state. Okay, it have only two quasi stable state. Okay, and क्या है? It is also called free running multivibrator. Okay, it is automatically switches between the two states. It is automatically switches between the two states without any external triggering. Okay, it is continuously produce square wave or pulse without any external triggering. Okay, it consists of two identical transistor, two capacitor and some resistor. Okay, let's see diagram of astable multivibrator. So in this astable multivibrator, here plus VCC volt. Okay, and this goes for ground. Okay, so this is a Q1, this is a Q2. Okay, and R1, R2, R3, R4, here C1, C2, and okay, like this, and C3 we can. Okay, so this is a astable multivibrator. Okay, and this is also a stable multivibrator using with help of timer IC 505 505. Okay, then what is the application of multivibrator? Stable multivibrator application क्या? In oscillator we can use multivibrator. Timing circuit we can use stable multivibrator, square wave generation, PWM and frequency divider. Also we are using stable multivibrator. Okay, next second is a monostable multivibrator. What is monostable multivibrator? So friends, here first in first word mono means single. Okay, mono means single. Okay, only one. Okay, so here have only one stable state. Okay, so monostable multivibrator has one state stable and one quasi stable. Okay, it is also known as a one shot multivibrator. Okay, it produce single output pulse of predetermined with when triggered by an input signal. Okay, it consists of two transistor, two capacitor and some resistor. Okay, ये किससे बना होता है? दो ट्रांजिस्टर, दो कैपेसिटर एंड सम रजिस्टर, कुछ रजिस्टर से मिलके बना होता है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी diagrams of circuit diagram of monostable multivibrator. Okay, so here friend you are seeing you are seeing क्या नाम है, only single stable state. Okay, this state is stable. Okay, this is stable and this side this is not stable. Okay, so this is okay, and this is a this is a monostable multivibrator with using of timer IC 505. Okay, and application of multivibrator: pulse generator, delay circuit and gating circuit. Okay, now let's see bistable multivibrator. Bistable multivibrator has two stable state, no quasi stable state. It will stay in its stable state until another trigger apply. Okay, on it. It is also known as a flip-flop multivibrator. Okay, It consists of two transistor, two capacitor, some resistor. Okay, this like this. And this is also bistable multivibrator with using of timer IC 505. Okay, application of bistable multivibrator, flip flop. Okay, flip flop and memory and mathematical operations. Okay, so in next video we will discuss about what is the oscillator and types of oscillator. Okay, so till now, thank you, bye bye.